Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a truly exciting topic, xeriscaping and desert-themed landscaping ideas. Whether you live in the heart of the desert or are looking to bring that beautiful desert aesthetic to your home in a completely different climate, this video is for you. Xeriscaping is all about creating a sustainable, water-efficient landscape that not only looks amazing, but also conserves one of our most precious resources, water. From low-maintenance plants to creative hardscaping techniques, we'll show you how to transform your yard into a stunning, desert-inspired oasis, whether you're dealing with dry conditions or just love the desert vibe. Let's start by talking about the basics of xeriscaping. In desert climates, water conservation is critical, so xeriscaping focuses on using plants that are well adapted to dry conditions. These include native plants like cacti, succulents, agaves, and other drought-tolerant species that thrive in low-water environments. One of the biggest advantages of xeriscaping is its minimal maintenance needs. Once established, these plants require very little watering, which makes it ideal for those living in arid areas or anyone looking for a low-maintenance garden. And the best part? With the right design, these landscapes can be incredibly beautiful and full of texture, color, and visual interest. But xeriscaping isn't just for homes in the desert. If you live in a more temperate or even humid climate, you can still incorporate xeriscape principles to create a desert-themed yard that suits your environment. One great way to do this is by choosing drought-tolerant plants that can thrive in your region. Succulents like echeveria, sedum, and aloe vera can work beautifully in non-desert areas. Pair them with ornamental grasses or low-water shrubs to create a landscape that mirrors the desert's natural beauty while staying sustainable. Even in a green, lush environment, a desert-themed yard can stand out and make a bold statement. You can also use rocks, gravel, and sand to recreate that arid desert look, regardless of where you live. Hardscaping is another key element in xeriscaping. Desert landscapes often incorporate a lot of stone, gravel, and rocks to reduce the need for water and upkeep. Incorporating these materials in your yard design not only adds a rugged, natural look, but also helps prevent water runoff, which is especially important in dry climates. You can create beautiful pathways using crushed stone or gravel, which adds texture and helps define different areas in your yard. Large boulders can serve as focal points or natural dividers between plant groupings. These hardscaping elements are not only practical, but add a unique desert aesthetic to your yard, making it feel like a peaceful oasis right at home. Now let's talk about plant selection. Choosing the right plants is essential for capturing that desert feel. Cacti and succulents are, of course, the stars of any xeriscaped garden. Their unique shapes and textures make them perfect for creating visual interest. But don't be afraid to mix things up with other drought-tolerant plants like yucca, agave, and desert marigolds. These plants not only thrive in dry conditions, but also bring a variety of colors, from deep greens to silvery blues, and even bright pops of color when they bloom. Mixing plants of different heights and textures can help you create a layered, dynamic landscape that's both functional and visually striking. If you're working with a smaller yard or patio space, xeriscaping can still be a fantastic choice. Consider creating a desert-themed container garden with potted succulents and cacti. These plants do great in pots and can be arranged in various ways to add life to your outdoor living space. You can also incorporate raised beds filled with a mix of rocks and drought-tolerant plants. This is a great way to manage space efficiently while still creating that beautiful desert vibe. Plus, using containers and raised beds gives you more control over the soil and drainage, ensuring your plants thrive even if your yard isn't naturally suited for desert plants. Another important aspect of xeriscaping is lighting. When designed thoughtfully, outdoor lighting can bring out the beauty of your desert-themed yard after the sun goes down. Consider using soft, low-level lighting to highlight your plants, pathways, and rock features. A well-lit xeriscape not only enhances the aesthetics, but also extends the usability of your yard into the evening. Perfect for those relaxing nights outdoors or for entertaining guests. Remember, xeriscaping isn't just about saving water. It's about making the most of your environment and creating a landscape that works with nature rather than against it. Thank you for watching. Tell us which was your favorite design inspiration in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.